All right. Just take a look at this video, this picture you're watching on the screen. This is Peter Obi meeting with President Tinubu at Vatican. Among other politicians, they met and they exchanged pleasantries. But I want you to learn a lesson about this particular video, this picture. Do you know there are people who have left this world to the grave because of Peter and Tinubu? If I don't know, I know there are people in Lagos who don't have one of their legs amputated, their arms broken, wounded, they are disabled because of Peter and Tinubu. There are people who don't talk to their brother today in family because of Peter and Tinubu. There are people who, when they see each other, they are ready to buy themselves, or the other person buy the other person because of two people. But look at them meeting. The same people you are because of them buying yourself, hating your brother, trying to buy your brother. Look at two of them comfortably laughing with each other, enjoying themselves, and you are busy buying yourself for politician. Shame on you. Shame on you and your generation if you're the type that don't reason because of the top politicians, because of these leaders. You hate your brother, you want to buy your brother, you don't talk with your brother, and they are busy enjoying themselves in Vatican, in wherever they meet. When they will meet and reconcile, you will not be there. This is like a husband and wife quarreling, and you came as a third party. You want to side somebody. Instead of you to just stay middle or stay clear, you are siding husband against wife or wife against husband. When they will reconcile, you will not be there. They will use you to reconcile. This is what happens exactly in politics. They say they don't have permanent friend, they don't have permanent enemy. But some of you who are the foolers are permanent enemy with each other. But the politicians are enjoying. Look at the war going on in Ukraine and Russia. The other day they are negotiating, the leaders are going to come together and broker peace. But people have lost their life fighting for the two of them. For the two of them interests, souls are going to grave. Massacre every day. But two people, the two leaders can always meet, negotiate, discuss how to enrich themselves. But people are going to grave because of them. I want this post to make you to be wise. Your life is not one laying for anybody. You are responsible for your life. You have your life to live. Don't let anyone to determine how you live with your brother. Somebody you have never stayed with. Somebody you only hear on social media. There are some of you who are following some people. Your pastor, your freedom fighter, your this, your that. You only hear him on social media. You don't follow them to their house to know how good and kind. Forget about what people say. It's like me, some of you start fighting somebody because of Jovika, but you don't know how wicked I am inside. Let's be wise. Let's be wise. Let's be wise. Let me keep my school for now. Urokunka Mary. Thank you.
Poised to reach you with the truth.